Nathan here from Content Chemistry with this month's HubSpot product updates. So we want to focus on a top 6 updates that I think will be the most relevant and important for you, especially if you're in a marketing role. The first one relates to one-click unsubscribe. So one of the things that Google and Yahoo did recently was they required all bulk marketing emails to have a one-click unsubscribe. With HubSpot previously, it was more like a 2 or 3 click. Now HubSpot has updated that for everyone automatically, so you don't need to worry. But what it'll mean is that in the top header of your email, you'll have the one-click unsubscribe there, which will meet the requirements for Google and Yahoo. The second update is related to that, which is that Google and Yahoo also now require marketing emails to have DMARC, DKIM and SPF records updated in your DNS. So one of the things you need to do to fix that or to check that, to be able to send marketing emails, is to go into settings in HubSpot, go down to website and then domains and URLs. And then what you'll do, you'll see this under email sending domains, you'll see whether or not your domain is authenticated. Now, if there's an error message here, it means that maybe your DMARC, your DKIM, or your SPF, or all of them have not been set up properly in your DNS. So it's a pretty simple wizard to go through to connect those. If you're on GoDaddy, it's even easier because it automatically fires up GoDaddy and adds those records. But if you need a hand with that, reach out to us or one of your HubSpot partners and we can help. The third update relates to AI. So obviously HubSpot has sprinkled AI now throughout everything in HubSpot, which is great. And the newest feature is the ability to generate subject lines in marketing emails with AI. So just a simple example here is if you've got an email, you just click on generate and then you'll see this pop-up box here, which gives you all of the different options and you can edit them, you can generate new ideas. So really helpful if you've got some writer's block. The fourth update relates to more of a technical thing when it comes to the CRM, relates to the record source of a contact, a company, a deal, a ticket, or whatever the case may be. So what you can do now is, this is an example of a contact record here. You can see the record source, and if you click on the details button here, it gives you the history of how that particular record was created. So really helpful to sort of analyze, was it through a form? Was it through an offline source? Was it through an extension? Was it through an integration in this example? Or whatever the case may be. But that's just a new little feature, which is a good one just from a data hygiene perspective. The fifth update relates to workflows. So one of the main issues with workflows is that they can sometimes not trigger or enroll people properly, contacts correctly. And oftentimes previously you weren't able to identify the reason for that. So now with HubSpot, they've added this new feature called why didn't this contact enroll as an example, or it could be why didn't this company or deal or other object enroll. So when you click on that, you click on a particular contact, and then what you can do is really troubleshoot exactly what was happening and what were the reasons for that particular contact or company or deal not to enroll in that workflow. So really helpful. The final update to run through with you guys is the HubSpot mobile app. So previously it wasn't the best at syncing your phone contacts with your HubSpot CRM, so that when maybe a lead or a customer called you from that was in your CRM, it wouldn't appear in your phone. You wouldn't know who that person is. But now with the sync, it's a lot better. But what you need to do is open your actual app on your phone, go to settings, caller ID, toggle that on. And then if you're on an iPhone, you'll need to go into your settings on an iPhone and allow, it's called the caller ID and blocking, allow HubSpot to do that. And that syncing between HubSpot and your phone will be a lot better, and you should be able to see who's actually calling you instead of just an unknown number. So they're just 6 kind of rapid fire updates for the last sort of 30 days or so. We'll be back next month. And just a reminder, to access these product updates, just remember to go to the very top right of your HubSpot portal, go down to product updates there, and then you'll see a list of all the latest product updates. And the great thing now is that they're all included by what's live, what's coming soon, what's in beta, public or private beta, what's in development, etc. Before it used to be sort of segmented a little bit different. So it's a lot better now to use. But yeah, highly recommend checking these out on a regular basis. And but these videos hopefully give you the key updates for the last sort of month or so. Hope that helps, and we'll catch you all next month. See ya.